How to make your own soap at home. Easy beginner soap making. Today, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to make your own soap at home using the melt and pour method. Once you know the basics, you can customize it with your favorite colors, scents, and natural ingredients. You will need a melt and pour soap base, essential or fragrance oil, soap coloring, a microwave-safe bowl, a silicone mold, a spatula, and optional extras like dried flowers, oats, or honey. First, cut your soap base into small cubes. This helps it melt evenly. Place the cubes in a microwave-safe bowl and melt in short bursts of 20 to 30 seconds, stirring between each round. Be careful not to overheat it. You want it fully melted, but not boiling. Once melted, add a few drops of your chosen fragrance oil. Start with a small amount. You can always add more. Next, add your color. You can use soap coloring, mica powder, or natural options like turmeric or cocoa powder. Stir gently until everything is mixed. Now you can add extras like oats for exfoliation or dried petals to make it look pretty, but remember, less is more. Carefully pour the mixture into your silicone mold. If you see bubbles, a light spray of rubbing alcohol will help remove them. Leave the soap to set for a few hours until it is completely hard. Once hardened, gently pop out your soap. And there you have it, your own handmade soap. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more easy DIY tutorials.